Guys, so welcome back to Think YouTube, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my YouTube channels that I currently have, or let's say the ones that I'm actively working on, and how I go about operating these tutorial channels, right? So this is the first episode, let's say, or the first video of you seeing uncut or behind the scenes of how I'm currently running my YouTube channels as a small content creator, and basically help you to understand the tutorial business model that I currently use. So I'm currently using Google Chrome here, and when I open up Google Chrome, you can see that I have a bunch of different profiles here, right? So I have my Drew tutorial. I also have one channel about myself here, which there's not really much videos there as yet. And of course, this is a channel which I started out saying that when I become successful, I will basically start to share and document all of those stuff so that you can learn. But I guess life take a different turn and I want to share it right now. So I'm going to first go through this channel Drew tutorial and just give you a sneak peek what it looks like. And of course, all the other channels as well, I'll show you what they are, and that's it. This one here is not a channel, it's just my personal account, but that I just use to view YouTube, but you'll see it regardless. So Drew tutorial, I'm going to open up this one here, and it opens up on another window. So let me go ahead and go back into my history here, and so that you can see what's going on there. Quite a lot of tabs opening. So this is my Drew tutorial channel, and on the homepage here, as you can see, I have over 2,700 subscribers here, and you can see what's going on here. This channel is actually monetized. Estimated revenue right now is around $391 and so forth. The type of tutorials that I make is basically anything. So whatever I learn, I share those tutorials there, and I just create tutorials. So you'll be seeing behind the scene how these channels work and the type of videos. So how this channel actually work is I record the videos, and you'll see when I start to record other videos and how I go about doing them and how I come up with those titles and SEO those videos and so much more, right? So I currently have one video here which is in draft, and I will show you how I go about, let's say, optimize this video, create the thumbnail and so forth, right? So you'll see all of that behind the scenes, how I do that. So how this actually work is that, so how my model work here is this. I research and create or record those videos, right? And then I send those videos over to my editor. So I collaborate with my editor is that I do this over Drive. So if I go ahead and open up my Google Drive here, I'm gonna go to my profile, and you will see that on the drive I have certain folders that I'm currently using. So I have one folder here which is videos to edit. So these are some videos which are currently need to be edited by my editor, and I have another one here which another editor is currently editing some videos for me. So I do the recording, guys, and then I send over those videos for them to get edited. Once those guys edit those videos, they send them to me or they upload them to the channel. So I currently have one guy who I've been working with over the last year and something, or 2 years. And so I add him to the channel, and he's currently editing the videos for me and uploading them directly, and I see them in draft. Now, once I see those videos in draft, I can just quickly come here and just basically, edit them and finish them, create thumbnail and so forth. How we communicate is that we communicate via WhatsApp. So once I upload content there, I just message him on WhatsApp and say, hey, I've uploaded some videos that need to be edited, and he will go about and edit them and just let me know that he upload them on the YouTube channel via WhatsApp. So I basically come on WhatsApp and reply to him, and of course go to the channel and finish the optimization of those videos. So that's how it works. I research, I record, and edit, upload, and I finish the process. So I start the process and end it. So that's how this actually works, this process. The second guy who is working on this channel, really, I just give him videos to edit, and he just upload them back on Drive, share them with me, and I upload those myself. He's much of a newer person, so I don't really give him that access to the channel to see, but I basically do that. Now, how the type of accesses I give to these guys, I don't give them the full access. So for example, this guy, I will go to my settings here, and I will go down to permissions, And as you can see, I have a bunch of people here and I give them the editor's limited option, right? So you can see them. I will delete some of these guys afterwards, but you can see that I'm the channel owner, and you will see that I gave them the editor's access because I don't want them to be able to do anything else more than just upload, right? So they can upload, but they cannot delete anything and so forth. And if you would like to learn more about the editor's access, I can show you as well. So let me go back to the settings here and I will show you how that works. So if I go to permissions and I go to editors, you can see here if I click drop down, the editors limit is basically that they have the same permissions as they have permissions to edit, but they cannot view revenue data. So you want to, if you're having people who is like working on your channel, you don't want to give them ability to view your revenue. You want to keep that private so that they cannot see that and they can't do anything else. But they can edit the videos as an editor and so forth. Keep in mind that you have to work with someone who you trust, so you don't want to give them anything else, right? So that's how I manage this channel. Okay, so my second channel that I'm currently working on is this one is a real money wisdom. I will go ahead and I will open up this channel. I must tell you honestly, this channel I have a bunch of videos here, but I really don't make videos. It's been a while since I make videos on this channel. As you can see, it have over 1,000 subscribers and it have over 600 and something watch hours. It's videos about how to make money online, and to be honest, I do have quite a lot of views on this channel. Like, it's getting some views, but I've realized that I don't really fancy making how to make money online videos anymore. And so I kind of a little bit step away from this kind of channel for now, let's say. Right? So I don't really upload videos on this channel anymore, right? Now I'm gonna move on to my another channel which I'm currently working on, and this is Up IQ, and you can check out that channel. I discovered this niche. As I said, I use the Drew tutorial as a channel to, let's say, make as much videos as possible, and I use it as like a space where I can derive niche from. And so I've derived from this from the Drew tutorial to make tutorial videos about mobile tutorials, right? Let's put it like that. And so I've created this channel showing people how to do this on their phone. It's very easy videos to make, and I'm creating mobile tutorial here. Now, how do I manage this specific channel? As you can see here, let me go to analytics. I have over 441 subscribers and over 1,600 views in the last 48 hours. The views are dropping off a bit, but that's okay. And how it works, to be honest, I am currently recording videos on my phone, and I am basically uploading these videos on Drive and send them over to a creator to quickly edit these for me. I used to do them myself, but I just want to focus on the recording and, let's say, uploading, and have other people do the editing for me. So this current editor is currently in Jamaica, and I just send them the videos to upload. It's actually a family member of mine, and they just edit those mobile tutorial videos. I just upload them to the channel afterwards and create my thumbnails. So you can see some of those thumbnails and how I'm doing them. It's pretty interesting, and views are not so bad, right? And so this channel is coming on slowly. So once I reach monetization for this channel, you'll be able to see it as well, and you'll enjoy that success with me once I reach monetization for this channel, right? So once I'll be making videos for that channel, you'll also get to see that as well. Now, let's move on to another channel that I have, which is Learn AI. And this is another channel that I've derived as well from my Jew tutorial. Because, AI is actually booming right now, and there's so many different channels about AI. But the purpose of this channel is I like learning about AI, and so I create videos about how to use various AI tools and discover various AI tools. So you will see how I go into those research as well for this channel, how I find tools, how I'm looking into those tools, and then I make videos for them. And how this actually operates is that I record the videos, and I also send these videos over to my editor, the same editor for the Drew tutorial, and I have him edit videos every few days so that I can upload to this channel. So the focus for him is Drew tutorial, but he also edit videos for this channel as well. This channel is really coming on slowly, but it's nice. I like AI, and so once I reach monetization for that channel, for this channel, then of course I'll apply and you'll get to manage that, see that success with me as well. So that's how it's going. 376 subscribers and the views are not so high, but you know, it's coming on slowly as well. So another tutorial channel there. And yeah, guys, actually I have this channel here, which is the Think YouTube, which you're currently watching right now. It's a new channel. I will go into that channel here so that you can see there's not much going on at the moment, but you will see once I release videos on that channel or on this channel, let's put it like that. Currently, I started this channel to make tutorial as well, how to make various type of YouTube, how to use YouTube videos, but I've converted this channel into providing more values and creating videos like this so that you can see. That's where it is right at the moment. I will not make any more of these basic YouTube tutorials, but I'll be providing more values like this, showing you guys and what it is like as a small creator making videos in this tutorial space. So that's how this one works, and the idea is just I'm going to make basic videos for this and I'll just cut them and just upload them with the raw footage so that you can see how things are going on. Right, so that's it for that. Now I have another channel and I will be actually there's nothing there. Let me go back here, and this one you see the Windows guy. I'm not There's nothing there actually, guys. If I go to history and I go to this channel, you will see that on YouTube there is, let me go back to the YouTube homepage. Not sure why it goes there, but you will see if I go into this channel that there is nothing, right? There is nothing on this channel. Let's click yes. There is nothing in this channel, but the purpose of this channel is to basically, when I want to do anything with the YouTube channel, I want to create YouTube tutorials on how to do this on YouTube, how to do that on YouTube. I have a separate channel that I can manipulate with, and let's say not showing my personal channel. So let's say I want to make various tutorials, how to do this on YouTube, how to do that on YouTube. Then I use this channel to create those tutorials, right? But the idea is not to monetize this channel. Maybe I'll start making some video for it in the future, but not right now. The idea is just to use this as a empty channel to teach people how to use YouTube and how to do various YouTube. So the current videos that you're seeing on this channel, which is Think YouTube, I use this channel to create those basic tutorials. But that's what this channel is for. And I recommend, if you're starting a YouTube channel and you're doing tutorials and you're going to show people how to use YouTube, how to do this and that on YouTube, have a separate channel, which is like a dummy channel that you can use to teach. And so you don't have to showcase your content, your live content in that channel, right? So you keep that private. But this is where this channel comes in, because it's going to give you a lot of value, because I'm sharing with you all the things, all the good sauce behind the scenes, how I'm doing my entire setup, how my entire strategy, how I'm working as a small time creator, and how I'm doing everything. So I'm giving you everything in my head, sharing with you all my secrets, so you too can start a channel for yourself, and so that you know the practices that I use and my best practices and what is actually working for me. So guys, that's my setup. That's my channels. These are all my channels that I have on YouTube, guys. And in future videos, I will be sharing with you, as you can see here, I have my Drew tutorial here because I love this logo so much. But you'll be learning in future videos how I'm actually editing my videos and so forth. And as you saw here from the Drew tutorial, I have one video outstanding. So I'll show you how I do it. I'll share with you the different tools, the plugins that I'm using, and how I'm editing my videos and so forth. So I think that you'll find that valuable to know the different tools that I'm using, and you'll see from day to day how I'm using those different tools. And I think that that will be a lot of value for you guys. So if you find value here within this video, I'd really appreciate if you give this video a like, guys. And if you're new to the channel and you're finding value so far, hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now, guys, I would like to end by saying that if you don't know what this channel is about, and if you don't know who I am and you'd like to learn more, check out this video here that is on the screen, or the video at the end of this video, so that you can learn more about what the channel is about, the value that I'm bringing to this channel. And of course, you'll learn about me as well, and learn about the tutorial business model which I am working with, and that is currently bringing value and success to me as a small time creator. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.